This is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to rebuild the database on your PlayStation 5 so you can fix any kind of hardware or like your corrupted data on your PS5. So if you come across a game that says corrupted data, or maybe it's just not working correctly, what we want to do is restart or completely turn off our PlayStation 5. So press the PlayStation button, going over to power, and then go to turn off right here. And completely 100% turn it off. Don't go to the rest mode, otherwise we won't be able to enter the safe mode menu. So let's scroll on down to my PlayStation now. Here it is. And we need to plug it in with a USB cable, just like this, so we can actually operate the safe mode menu. Otherwise it won't work. So I have it plugged in, and my PlayStation 5 is completely turned off. Go to the power button now, and hold this down. We will hear one beep, and then maybe like 6 seconds later we will hear another beep. So I'm going to hear another beep, and then I can go ahead and let go. And then I have to press the PlayStation button on the controller, and it should turn like teal now. Let's go back up to the TV, and we can see all the different options. So we want to go on down to option number 3. We have repair console storage. We can go to this option as well, and then it should fix any kind of game issues we're having with our hard drive. Or we can go on down to option number 6, clear cache and rebuild database. And then we can go to rebuild database, and it will restart my PlayStation 5. And then it will rebuild the database, and it's going to probably take like 6 or 7 minutes to go ahead and do this. But when you go ahead and restart your PlayStation 5 now, it's going to go ahead and fix those issues for you. So you probably want to do this every like 3 or 4 months, just in case you are having issues or something. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixTech.